Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Among Us on a school computer. First, it's super important to understand your school's computer usage policies. Many schools have strict rules about installing software or playing games on their devices. The official Among Us game is typically found on platforms like Steam for desktop computers or through mobile app stores for phones and tablets. School computers often have security measures in place to prevent you from directly installing these types of games. If direct installation isn't an option, a great alternative is to look for browser-based versions. You can simply open a web browser on your school computer and search for terms like Among Us Online Free or Among Us Browser Game. There are several unofficial versions available that aim to replicate the core gameplay experience of Among Us directly within your web browser. This method is often effective because it doesn't require you to install any new software onto the school system. Another viable option, if your school allows personal devices, is to use your own mobile phone or tablet. You can connect your personal device to the school's Wi-Fi network, assuming it's accessible and permitted for student use. Once connected, simply open your device's official app store, like the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and download Among Us directly. This way, you're playing on your own device, bypassing school computer restrictions entirely. Before you dive into playing, remember to always prioritize your schoolwork and academic responsibilities. Playing games during class time or when you should be focusing on assignments can lead to trouble. Be aware that attempting to bypass school security or playing games might violate your school's acceptable use policy, which could have consequences. It's always best to enjoy games like Among Us during designated free time, or, even better, after school hours at home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.